Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're making another cool, refreshing drink for the summer to beat the heat. Y'all come on, and I'm going to show you how to make this easy strawberry drink. Let's get started. Now for our strawberry drink, I've already washed and cut up my strawberries. So now we're just going to place them in our Ninja. You can use any kind of blender. And then to these strawberries, we're going to be adding a cup of water. Now we're going to blend them. We're going to strain our strawberry mixture. While those are draining, I'm going to rinse my blender out. We're going to pour our mixture back in our blender. And now we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Three-fourths cup of milk. Just a dash of coconut milk. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. We're just going to use a regular tablespoon, not really measuring it that close. And then we're going to do a dash of vanilla. Probably about 1/2 of a teaspoon. Just a few of these stevia drops. And now we're going to blend again. Make sure it's good and tight so we don't have a disaster. And now we're going to be adding ice. We're going to add our strawberry drink. Top it with some sugar-free Cool Whip. Now we're going to top it with a few little dices of strawberries. And then just a little drizzle of chocolate syrup. Now let's give it a try. Oh goodness, that's like the best strawberry milk you ever had. I hope y'all give this one a try. Okay y'all, I hope you like this video on making these cool, refreshing drinks on these hot summer days. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.